guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in Georgia from Tbilisi city center, 2 hours outside from Tbilisi I am in Canyon of Dashbash. It's new place, it's just opened 1 month ago, and first time in my life I just came here to check what's going on in this place. Everybody's saying that it's touristic, very important and nice place, so let's see, let's check what's going on. And what I want to tell you again, this little baby I found here, and we will shoot together today. So subscribe the channel, like and follow me. Let's continue. Oh my god! I have to close eyes. Wait a minute. I crossed the bridge, guys. It was most dangerous bridge in my life. I'm already safe. I'm standing on the safe place, what is very clean. Even I'm with shoes, what is very clean. But this bridge from till such place is most dangerous what I ever see in my life. Guys, I'm in the center of the place, so here is I have to go inside this place because inside is like cafe and like different places, so we have to check inside. It's like Eiffel in Paris, so we have in Georgia also something like Eiffel in Paris, so let's go and check what's going on with my baby. Oh, it's a long way. Everything is glass inside, absolutely. Even bridge is just glass around. Very clean, everything super clean. Around here, a lot of tourists. You have to come. Oh my god, I just noticed that I'm standing on the glass and down is 770 kilometers. Amazing space. Come, let's check. View from I'm scared, you know? If you're scared of heights, for you will be dangerous, but very big good feelings and big feelings, so you have to try. Here was proposed, one guy asked a girl to marry her, so it was very sentimental situation. One family crate inside me. Nice! Congratulations! know the high place from where it's very, very, very cooler view. Come. But little bit dangerous and big windy. So now I'm going down. It's very, very far away, so if you will come in this place you need something jacket because I'm already cold a little bit, and it's really long way, you can see. And I'm going down on the canyon and waterfall also, so let's check waterfall and canyon. Come to me babies. I'm very tired from this up mountain. I came down with legs, no elevator, no car, nothing. By walking you have to come down, and the way is little bit dangerous, so you need very comfortable shoes. My shoes is not comfortable, so it was a little bit dangerous for me, but it's okay because I'm in amazing place with great view, and I was here. You can see up. This is a river, what I want to see so much, so let's go fast. I can't wait. Because I never see like that beautiful waterfall in my life, to be honest. It's end of the place, door is closed, but everywhere is amazing, air is fresh, and this place is very good for pictures, for rest, for picnic, everything ever what you want. So now I want to take pictures, a lot of pictures, because like that waterfall, I'm sure that you never see in your life. Yes, exactly. So come baby in Georgia and see this beautiful waterfall. Every time I see you, I need you, I feel you. Na 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 na. I buy ticket about bicycle on the sky. It's cost 120 gel. It's like $50, no less, like $40 for one person. But it's fine because it's gonna be unforgettable thing. So let's go. I'm interesting. So.
Hey, how are you?
I'm scared, but excited, very excited. הוא גדל, הוא יחדץ אותו. it was very scared. I almost died, but unforgettable, really unforgettable. Every person have to try. Just, my dears, my recommendation for you to come in Georgia in this canyon and try everything what I tried today, because it was amazing day in my life. So this bicycle was unforgettable and I'm full of emotions. I'm already moving from this place, but I want to try again, and I advise you to come in Georgia in that amazing place and see. Over here in this mountain is also one swing what is very big, and like that doing, and it's also like scared, or how scared was bicycle, but now it's not working today, but next time maybe it will work and you can try. Please subscribe the channel, like my video and comment.